Welcome back. 9 lines of strike. Let's do it. Okay, I'm bringing the big boy out, right? 9 lines of strike. I need the full body length so I can show this correctly, because we are going to start hitting some knees now as well. Okay, so let me move this guy out of the way here real quick. I'm going to mirror you first so we can get the idea, and you can just mirror me. So this will be your right hand, and then of course you can switch and do it with your left hand as well and get both of the 9 lines of strike on both sides of your body. All right, so just going to step back in a nice comfortable sparring stance, prepared position, and then go ahead and just follow along nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up between the legs, 7, down across the head and face, 8, and 9, just like that. Okay, so key things with this is it's a flow motion, so just kind of follow through every technique. Knee, between the legs, down the face, head, and strike up underneath the chin, chest, throat, whatever. But let's go ahead and just do the chin for now, so we can keep everything just nice and even, and then we can mix it up from there. Okay, so that being said, let's go ahead and now I will bring the big guy back out here. And now I'll show you the actual power you can get with this fluid strikes here. Okay, all right, there's ready and go. And stab right here. All right, okay, so real quick, what I want to get is when we're striking, see how my opposite hand is kind of coming out? Okay, this is to keep your opponent at bay. You remember the circle that I was talking about, our bubble that we don't want people to come into? This is what we're doing. We're keeping them at bay. We got to push them back, push, bam, and then we can strike. Okay, this is what we want to portray as we're striking. Boom, see? 1, 2, hand back up in the guard position. 3, 4, boom, hand up. 5, 6, boom, hand up. 7, 8, hand up, and then 9. Okay, simple as that. Go ahead, train this. Rewind the tape if you need to. If you have any questions, remember, comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Till next time, train hard, train smart. I'll see you in the next one.